A successful attempt to smash a world record in Charlotte. Guinness World Records was on hand Saturday here at Town & Country Ford, where Sunstoppers and Expel broke the record for the most windows tinted in one day. They tinted 438 windows on 170 vehicles over the course of 8 hours. The organizers say they were at a conference listening to a guest speaker talk about breaking world records when they got the idea.
So here we are at the conference, and he leans over to me and he says, "What do you think about the idea of setting a record for the most number of windows tinted in a single day?" And I was like, that sounds pretty good, but man, it's going to be really hard to carry that off. And next thing you know, he went straight up to the CEO and said, "We should do this." And the CEO said, "I'm in, no problem, let's do it." And we started on the planning. And
the Guinness World Record representative said the group had to tint 300 windows over 8 hours. The rules were that the tinting had to be done by professional tinters, and each window must be street legal no matter where the car is.